So hello friends, I'm Isidro Arianto. In the home-based learning, if your computer is laggy, you need to be creative. In my video before, I changed the RAM into a bigger RAM. Now, I'm going to change the hard drive from a normal one to an SSD. An SSD is lighter, processes faster, and also is also less fragile than a normal hard drive. Can withstand more heat, can withstand more force, I guess. I am going to check first what type of hard drive is in here. You still need to press F2. And it will be in the boot. It's an ST932032-5AS. It does not seem like an SSD hard drive. Okay, you're going to open it and change it. The materials you need to open it is still the same: a Phillips screwdriver and a pen. First, you open this. And then, since I cannot really open it, you use the pen. There you go. See, this is just a normal hard drive. You can remove it by just using this. It's heavier because most of its parts are made of metal. There is also a motor here which an SSD does not have. This is just a chip. So you can just put it down here. Then next, you can just push it through here. And yeah, that's done. You can just put this on again. Make sure it's right. Wait, yeah, this. Mind you, this is an 11-year-old laptop, so some parts may break. You're already 11 years old. Now, let's see. See, now it's an SSD. So yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching and goodbye.